Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you reset your For You page, your Explore on Instagram. So first of all, let me just go ahead and tell you something that all this things that you see on your Explore, they're totally based on what you have liked before, what kind of content you engage with. So this is like a music account, so the mostly I see that this is guitar stuff here and some other stuff that's related to my country. So what do we do if there's something that we do not want to see is we could click on some post. For example, let's consider this one, and on the top right you see those three dots. You're gonna press on that and you're gonna press not interested. Now pressing not interested would, it says this post has been hidden and will show fewer posts like this from now on. So basically posts such as that one would no longer appear, or at least they won't appear as much as they did before. So that is one thing. Another thing that you can do is you can go to your video likes before. Like for example, you go to your activity and then you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna go to interactions, right? And then you're gonna go to your likes, and now there should be all the posts that you've been liking before. So you can go ahead and unlike those, and this eventually your feed or like your Explore is gonna appear much more better and like whatever you want it to be. So that is, these two steps are like really important, and they're gonna really help you in cleaning your Explore. For example, if you're trying to change the look of your Explore, you don't want the posts that you usually engage with. So that is how you reset those. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.